This is the weather is so hot. I can't be bothered with makeup look. I just hope that this video comes out nice because I cannot afford to film this video twice. Let's do this. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we begin today's video, I want to say thank you to everyone who is newly subscribed to my channel. I got a few new subscribers on my channel recently and I want to say thank you. You guys are welcome to my channel, and if this is your first time here, you're welcome as well. My name is Onyinye and this is my YouTube channel. You're going to enjoy being a part of this growing community, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell thing after the subscribe so that you get notifications whenever I upload videos. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. So in my how to save more in 2020 video, I said I was going to film an updated side hustle video for you guys, and that's what we are going to be doing in today's video. I have put together a few, I don't know if I should call them tips, I don't know if they're really tips, just like a few things that would open your eyes to like the opportunities around you that you can actually monetize to earn a little or a lot more than you currently earn. So that's what this video is going to be about, and we're just going to go straight into it. As always, I'm going to begin with what I know and what I do, which is to start a YouTube channel, a blog, or a podcast. You can decide to do one or all of them if it's something that you're into. If you're into like videos, then YouTube is for you. If you like writing, then blogging. But if you like to speak, then you can do podcast as well. The three of them are kind of similar because I think everyone who does it have like something to say. They have experiences they want to share, or they have value that they want to bring to the world. So just choose the platform that best suits your personality and stick to it. Now, this does not guarantee that you'll begin to earn immediately. It takes patience and it takes hard work as well. I filmed a video on the earning potentials that are available on YouTube. For blogging and podcast, it's kind of almost the same thing. You can watch that video if YouTube is something that you want to do. I'll leave a link here or here and in the description box as well. And if blogging or podcast is your thing, you can do your research and know how you can earn from that. But I know for sure that this platform takes patience. You don't start earning immediately. You have to put in the work in order to, you know, start earning from them. So YouTube, podcasts, blogging are things that you can do to earn extra. You can decide to do the three, or you can decide to do one. Just be sure that you have something to say, you have value to give, and you are talking about things that people are actually interested in. So moving on to other digital channels that can actually earn you money, I'll be talking about WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and any other platforms that enables you set up shop. So you don't have to own a physical store now to sell things. You can sell anything and everything on social media these days. You can start your business on any social media platform right now, and the best part of it is like you don't need a huge capital to start. But if you want to go big, that's up to you. So just look around you, do your research, and find out what the people around you actually need, and then also research where you can get those things for affordable prices that enables you to resell for profit. The gag with this is that you would need a small budget for marketing. So you have to do adverts on social media, you have to learn how to promote yourself using your social media platforms. Just like in everything, nothing comes easy. You have to find a way to market what you sell, you have to find a way to put yourself out there. People need to know what you are selling in order for them to buy from you. So look for a problem that you want to solve, look for an affordable way to solve that problem and make profit out of it. Another way to make extra money is to monetize the skill that you have. So can you make hair? Are you good with makeup? Do you know how to make dresses? Like whatever it is that is a skill that you have, you can actually monetize it. It just takes doing it for 1, 2, 3 people to get the word out there, and you can start making money out of it. There's usually always a way to monetize the skill that you have, so look for that and use it. Social media would also help you if you are in this category. So say you know how to cook, do that for like 1 person or 2 people. In the beginning you might have to do it for free, but when you do it, take good pictures, make good videos and post it on social media. Reserve a small budget for marketing as well. Promote yourself, carry your business on your head, tell everybody, your friends, your family, tell them what you do so that they patronize you. And when people patronize you, ask them to leave like feedback, ask them to leave testimonials, ask them to do like a review, and then you keep reposting that, promoting yourself. The thing with social media is that you can sell yourself, you can sell anything on social media. So learn to do that and make the skills that you have work for you. The fourth tip that I'm going to be giving is to become a consultant. So I know that there are people who are in professional services, people who work 9 to 5, that may not have the time or the energy to manage a side business that has to do with like buying and selling and attending to customers. You know, I know that there are people that don't have time to do all of that. So if you are in this category of people, what you can actually do is to become a consultant. So you have been working at this job for maybe 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years even, and in that time period you have definitely gained skill, knowledge, experience that other people need, that other people are looking for. One way to monetize this is to consult outside of your job. Can you take a short time or part-time consulting gig? Can you do speaking engagements, master classes even? So find a way to monetize your experience, find a way to monetize the knowledge that you've gained over the years. It could even be in the same organization that you work for. So look for the opportunities and take advantage of it. The thing with this one is that you have to be sure that the place that you currently work for will not, feel a certain way about it. I don't know if you have to take permission, if you have to come out clean to say that you'll be doing this in your free time. I don't know how your organization works, but don't risk it and then lose your main job because you're looking for something extra. You have to be sure that your current employer is okay with it. Please don't put yourself in trouble and say I'm the one that sent you. I beg, my hand is not here. The fifth tip that I'm going to give is to write an ebook. If you are an expert in something, if you know about something, you have an experience that you want to share, then writing an ebook and selling it is one way to make money out of it. And if you're also in the category of people that I mentioned before in my fourth tip, then ebook is an option for you to monetize as well. But the thing with ebook is that just be sure that what you're actually selling is valuable, because I know that I've gotten 2 or maybe 3 ebooks that like it was really disappointing, because like I know these people on social media at least, and the knowledge that they even share on social media is better than what they wrote in their ebook. So when I got the ebook, I was really angry, and God knows I'm not going to buy anything from them again. So that's the thing with ebook. If you sell something that is stupid the first time, you cannot make money out of it again. Nobody's going to believe that you know what you're saying the second time. So be careful when you're packaging something like that to sell. Make sure that what you're selling is actually valuable. Don't just put together rubbish and then sell to people. And yeah, I want to give a bonus tip, sort of like an advice. So I work in the digital marketing space. For those of you who don't know, I actually have a 9 to 5. I know that with digital there are like a lot of skills that are in constant demand, and if you are in the category of people who are not sure like what your skills are, you're not sure what you can do to earn more, I would say that you should acquire skills that are marketable. For digital, which is like the space that I'm in, I would say content creation, social media management, graphic design. These are like skills that are in constant demand. So if you are looking for something to learn, if you are looking for how to improve yourself, start learning digital skills. Things are actually shifting in like the business world, and these skills are currently in demand and they will continue to be in demand. So if you are looking for something that you would do to improve yourself, start learning how to create content, to manage social media platforms, to design, to do graphic design, to do branding, to tell stories, to manage social media accounts for companies, for individuals, videos as well. Videos are like a huge thing now, so learn to like tell stories through videos, editing, what else, there are like a lot of digital skills that are currently in demand right now. So that's a place to start if you are looking for additional skills to better yourself. So you know now that I have a 9 to 5 and I do YouTube and sometimes my thrift store as my side hustles. So I would like to know what you do for a living and what you do as a side hustle. I know most Nigerians actually have 2, 3 or more things that they are doing. So let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you do for a living, what your side hustle is, and if you don't have any, tell me what you are looking to doing, and if I have any advice or anything, I'm going to give to you, and if I don't, we'll just in the comment section. So leave all your comments in the comment section. description. So that's it for this video, guys. Until I come your way next week with another episode of Onyinye Talks Too Much. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.